Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram blend if it's not showing. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're using Android, tap and hold in the app. Now go ahead and tap on the information icon. And if you're using iOS, go ahead and go to the settings app, locate apps once more and look for Instagram. And you should be able to see an option there called offload data or offload app. Okay. And for Android, go ahead and tap on storage. Now in here, first tap on clear cache. And once done, tap on clear data. After that, go ahead and launch Instagram again and check if it helps. All right. Now if that will work, go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store. Okay. Launch it. Wait for it to load. Now use the search function and look for Instagram. Just like that, and tap on the find button. Now, if you do see an update button right here, just go ahead and tap on it and wait for the update to finish. Now, once done, that should fix the issue. All right. Now, if that still won't work, open the Instagram app. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. And here, just type in business right here. Tap on business tools and controls. Now, go ahead and scroll down and tap switch account type. In here, either switch to personal account or switch to creator account. All right. But most of the time when you switch on creator account, you should be able to see the function and it works perfectly fine. All right. Now, if none of the workaround helps, well, that just means that your phone still doesn't work with that feature. Or in other words, your phone model still don't have that feature. All right. As it's still rolling out. Just wait for your time. And eventually you'll have that feature on your phone. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.